Mix gelatin, fruit, and 2 simple ingredients from your fridge and discover why so many people are talking about this simple combination. This gelatin trick recipe went viral because it's natural, practical, and easy to include in your morning routine. No extremes, no unrealistic promises. A few weeks ago, I started using this ritual as part of my day, and what surprised me the most was how it quickly became something light, automatic, and pleasant to do. A close friend also started and mentioned feeling a bit more motivated in her daily routine. Today, this gelatin trick has millions of views and has even been mentioned in wellness and lifestyle communities. Many people say they feel a sense of lightness and balance throughout the day. Maybe that's why so many people, especially women, have adopted this simple habit as part of their routine. It's light, accessible, and can be done at home with common ingredients. There's a short video with a step-by-step explanation of how people usually prepare it. You can watch it in the description or in the first pinned comment. It's purely instructional and easy to follow.